Hello, I am your host, K.I. Lee, short Kylie. I have the honor to explain you how to create quiz content for assessments for your individual course with AI support in the infoWERK LMS. In the process, when you are currently creating your individual course with the support of AI, you have the option to create a progress check derived from your uploaded documentation, either in the sequence of that process or at any time before the course is published to your students. You can prepare a quiz to ensure learners can verify their understanding of the training content. The creation principle stays the same. Create a progress check, questions. Select Add Progress Check. Select Generate Questions with AI. Determine the number of questions to be created. Confirm by clicking OK. The AI generates questions and answer options. Review each item to ensure accuracy and relevance. Confirm by clicking OK. Correcting or changing suggested questions and answers can be done once the check has been created. You may also translate the questions into other languages, if required. Do not forget to save your changes. Confirm with Apply to attach it to your module. This is it for this tutorial. Enjoy watching the others too. I hope I could make you curious to work with me, to let me assist you in creating your own courses in the infoWERK LMS. Feel free to get in contact. We'll answer your questions reliably.